Take a ride in the 2026 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, remote trunk release. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.